Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today I'm going to preview our latest bespoke Transporter Generation 7. This one is the Commerce Pro 150 PS DSG automatic gearbox. Now this one is a Flexi Kombi conversion, finished in light grey with our full black MA-SV style kit, all bespoke styling done by ourselves in-house. Okay, so start from the front. Our usual gloss black pack, so it's got the gloss black detailing to the upper grille, lower grille, gloss black canards and a gloss black lower front skirt, and our MA-SV badging, gloss and matte badging on the Volkswagen emblems. Commerce Pro model, the top of the range, comes with great specification. It's got front and rear park sensors, rear camera. Got the gloss black mirror caps and surrounds. Gloss black 20-inch Velare latest design alloys with Continental premium tyres. As I say, it's a combi conversion, so it's got the privacy tint glass to the twin side loading doors. It's got the smoked rear tail light clusters. Gloss black rear bumper skirt and the side skirts there as well. This one's got what we call the barn doors, so twin doors on the rear. Gloss and matte badging to match, and a gloss black roof spoiler there. Now it's a 25 registration, delivery mileage as new, so it comes with the remainder of the 5+ Volkswagen package, which is 5 years warranty, 5 free services, 5 years roadside assistance and free MOTs. Peace of mind there when you're buying this Volkswagen. Does look fantastic in this colour. Okay, so we'll go in the cab area first. This one is a 6-seater, so 6-seater combi conversion. It's got our latest design, premium leather with the Alcantara centre, lovely red stitch detail, perforations on the outer bolsters, matching on the passenger side, so it's a twin seat on the passenger side, even detailing down to the armrests. Commerce Pro, so it's got the large infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay, all your heated controls, heated seats, heated windscreen, all work from there. Cruise control, adaptive cruise, multifunction steering wheel, has a digital dashboard, column gear change, auto lights, auto wipers. Really well specified, these latest Volkswagen Transporters. Folded mirrors as well. Okay, so we call this the Flexi Kombi. So why we call it the Flexi is basically there's 3 seats in the rear, but they're all individual, can all be removed individually on a rail system, so slide, give you extra leg room, etc. The rear of the seat can fold flat as well. There we go, so all seats can be folded flat. The centre one does have a table as well, so if you fold this one, show you on this one, so there we go, so If you want to sit in the outer seats, you can use the middle seat cup holders, storage on there. All fully removable, reclinable. Dead easy, quick release. It's all fully carpet lined. It's got the LED downlighters, carpet lined on the rear door, sound headed throughout. Lovely white clean surface on the floor. Just open the rear up. There you go, so all lined, lovely and neat. Does have 2 rear load lights as well. So if you're loading on those dark evenings, winter evenings. There we go, so 2 seats folded, 1 upright. As I say, all removable. Do have other models available in this specification and conversion. 4Motion, 2-wheel drive, 170 PS, 150 PS. Tailgate, barn doors, lots of vehicles on order. Please contact myself, Chris, on 07888 989877. Require any further information. Vehicle is live on our website, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. Just to recap, this one is the Volkswagen 7th generation Transporter. It's the Pro model, automatic gearbox. It's the 150 PS, light grey, super colour, 2025 registered, delivery mileage, and it's available immediately. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.